Can you help me book a flight ticket from Dubai to London?
I have found 5 flights from Dubai to London on June 3rd. Would you like me to book one of these flights for you?
Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Are you a business owner in the GCC looking to supercharge your operations, enhance your customer service, and automate your complex tasks? Imagine an AI assistant that not only understands your customers but can also take real actions. For example, book appointments, query your databases, or even manage the inventory. Today, we are diving into how you can build exactly that using Google's powerful Agent Development Kit or ADK. In one of our previous video, we explored a basic AI agent, which actually takes in a Shopify product URL and converts it into a blog post for your Shopify system. Now we are taking it to the next level with function tools from Google's ADK. This will give your AI agents true superpowers to interact with the real world and your specific business systems. Hello.
How can I help you with your travel plans today?
Can you help me book a flight ticket from Dubai to London?
Yes, I can help you with that. Could you please provide the departure date you would like to fly?
I would like to fly on June 3rd.
Okay, June 3rd, 2025. And will this be a one-way flight? Or do you need a return ticket as well?
I just need a one-way flight.
Okay, I will search for a one-way flight from Dubai to London on June 3rd, 2025. Okay, I have found 5 flights from Dubai to London on June 3rd. Here are a few options. The first flight is with RJ. It departs at 6:30 a.m. and arrives at 9 a.m. with one stop in Amman. The flight duration is 11 hours, and the price is 960 United Arab Emirates dirham. The second flight is with PC. It departs at 4:25 a.m. and arrives at 8:10 a.m. with one stop in Sabiha Gökçen. The flight duration is 12 hours and 10 minutes, and the price is 970 United Arab Emirates dirham. The third flight is with SV. It departs at 5:30 a.m. and arrives at 6:30 a.m. with one stop in Riyadh. The flight duration is 11 hours and 45 minutes, and the price is 995 United Arab Emirates dirham. Please note that Amman, Sabiha Gökçen, and Riyadh are not the final destination and are the locations where the flight will stop. Would you like me to book one of these flights for you, or would you like me to search for more options?
Are there direct flights without any connections?
I have checked the options, and unfortunately, none of the flights I found are direct. They all have one stop. The stops are in Amman, Sabiha Gökçen, and Riyadh. Would you still like me to book one of these flights? Or would you prefer to search for flights on a different date?
Can you help me book flight which has a connection at Saudi Arabia, and can you give me more details about that?
Certainly. I see 2 flights with connections in Saudi Arabia, both with Saudi Arabian Airlines, also known as SV. One departs Dubai at 5:30 a.m. and arrives in Riyadh at 6:30 a.m. The other departs Dubai at 10:30 p.m. and arrives in Riyadh at 11:30 p.m. Could you please confirm which departure time you would prefer so I can provide more details?
The first one.
Okay. The flight departing at 5:30 a.m. This flight departs Dubai at 5:30 a.m. on June 3rd and arrives in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia at 6:30 a.m. It has one stop. The total flight duration is 11 hours and 45 minutes, and the price is 995 United Arab Emirates dirham. Would you like to proceed with booking this flight?
Yes, I would love to.
I can proceed with the booking. Could you please confirm how many passengers will be traveling?
One passenger.
Okay, one passenger. Please provide the full name and date of birth of the passenger.
Okay, can you please let me know what is the weather like on Saudi Arabia on that day?
Sure. I can check the weather forecast for Saudi Arabia on June 3rd. Could you specify which city in Saudi Arabia you're interested in, as the weather can vary across the country?
Which city are flight going into?
The flight arrives in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay. The current weather in Riyadh is clear sky with a temperature of 32.48 degrees Celsius. The humidity is at 9%, and the wind speed is 9.8 kilometers per hour. Please note that this is the current weather, and the forecast for June the 3rd of may vary.
Can you tell me the forecast for June 3rd?
I am sorry. I can only provide the current weather conditions and not the forecast for a future date. However, I can proceed with booking your flight to Riyadh if you'd like.
Okay, can you help me plan an itinerary?
I would be happy to help you plan an itinerary. To start, please tell me the travel destination, trip duration, and travel dates. Also, let me know your travel interests, budget, accommodation and transportation preferences, desired pace of travel, and any specific activities or attractions you want to include. The more information you provide, the better I can tailor the itinerary to your needs.
So, London. Actually, I would like to explore London more.
Okay, London, how long will your trip be? And what dates are you planning to travel? Also, what are your interests, budget, and preferences for accommodation, transportation, and pace of travel? Any specific attractions you want to see?
So, we'll be traveling on June, from June 4th till June
Okay,
10th.
starting June. Okay, so from June 4th to June 10th. That's a 7-day trip. And what are your interests in London? What kind of activities are you hoping to do? What's your budget? And what kind of accommodation and transportation do you prefer?
So, I prefer 4-star accommodation.
Okay, 4-star accommodation. And what about your budget, interests, transportation preferences, and pace of travel?
Impressive, right? This isn't just a chatbot. This is an AI agent built with Google ADK, capable of understanding your needs, reasoning, and using tools to get things done. The brain of this agent is a large language model or LLM. In the example we have used is Google's Gemini. But LLMs by themselves are like brilliant thinkers locked in a room. They have vast knowledge, but they can't directly access your company's latest inventory data, call an external API for real-time flight prices, or update a customer record in your CRM, for example. That's where the function tools come in. Function tools are custom pieces of code. In our case, it's Python functions that your AI agent can call. Think of them as specialized skills you teach your agent. For our travel agent, we created tools like Search Flights, which connects to a flight booking API, and a Get Weather Forecast, which fetches the weather data. So, how does this work? The user makes a request. Now, the LLM agent analyzes your request. It uses its reasoning capabilities and the instructions we have given it to decide which tool or tools can best help. It then makes a function call, specifying the tool and any necessary information that the function call actually requires as an argument or an input. Next, our custom code, the function tool executes, perhaps calling an external API or querying your database. The result is sent back to the LLM, which then interprets it and presents a helpful conversation response back to you. So, what does this mean for your business in the GCC? This can help you to automate your complex processes. Go beyond simple FAQs, automate bookings, order processing, lead qualifications, and more. Number 2 is personalized customer service. Agents can access your customer history with proper permissions to provide a tailored 24/7 support. Number 3, integration with your existing systems. Connect your AI agent to your CRM, ERPs, inventory systems, or any third-party APIs. Increased efficiency and stability. Handle more customer interactions or internal tasks without proportionally increasing your staff. Free up your valuable human team for strategic work. Data-driven insights. Agents can gather and process the information, offering valuable insights into customer preferences or operational bottlenecks. So, whether you are in retail, real estate, hospitality, or any service based industry in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, or across the GCC, custom AI agents built with the Google ADK can be a game changer for your business. Are you ready to explore how AI agents can revolutionize your business processes? What tasks in your businesses would you love to automate with an AI agent? We are love to hear your ideas. And if you are looking to implement solutions like this, do contact us. We are here to help you harness the power of AI. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more AI and tech related topics for your business growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.